Hazrat Humayd bin Abdul Rahman bin Auf reports that Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu said, "In this pilgrim, Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu sent me along with the proclaimers so that we may proclaim at Mina on the day of sacrifice that no polytheist must perform Hajj after this year, and the circumambulation of Allah's house must not be performed in the nude." Humayd bin Abdul Rahman says, then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam seated Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu behind him and commanded him to announce that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam were displeased with the polytheist. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu says, on the day of sacrifice, Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu also announced with us in Mina that no polytheist should perform Hajj after that year, and no one must perform circumambulation of Allah's house in the nude. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 369.